Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily send a share link of a Word file using the Dropbox app on your phone. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sending a document to a colleague, or just sharing files with friends, Dropbox makes it simple to get your Word files out there quickly and securely. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, just head to your device's app store and download it. It's free and very user-friendly. Once the app is open, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap the Files tab. This is where all your stored documents, including your Word files, live. Now, find the Word file you want to share among your list of documents. When you spot it, tap the three dots right next to that file. This will open a menu with several options related to managing or sharing the file. Next, tap on Share. This is the key step to preparing your document for sharing with others. After that, you'll see an option that says Send Link. Tap on it. Dropbox will create a shareable link for your Word file. This link makes it easy for others to view or download the file without you having to send the actual document directly. Once the link is generated, Dropbox will ask you to choose where you want to send it. You can pick from several options such as an email app, text messaging, chat apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, or even other apps installed on your phone. Simply select the destination where you want to share your file link. Then, just send it as you normally would. The person on the other end will receive the link and can open, view, or download the Word file depending on the permissions you set. And that's all there is to it. Sharing a Word file through Dropbox on your phone is quick, secure, and extremely convenient. Now you can keep your documents organized and accessible without any hassle. Thanks for watching.